These tricks or hacks are specially for beginners and for those who do not like makeup much more. So if you want to apply makeup, then you definitely could do that. Hello my family, I am Gouri. Welcome to Bong Paradise. Today I am going to share some tips and tricks with which you can manage to achieve a gorgeous look without applying a bit of makeup. So शुरू करते हैं. Hack number 1. Choose an outfit that have some busy print and patterns. And for summer season, cotton is the best material. Hack number 2. Wear a pair of big earrings like jhumkas and chandwalis, oxidized, beaded, whatever you like. Hack number 3. Apply a coat of mascara. Hack number 4. Apply a dark or bright shade lipstick. Number 5. Lastly, if you want that Bengali touch, just put a solid color bindi, not that glittery one or not the stony one, whatever color you want. And you are good to go. You can try any of these tricks. That's it for today's video. If you like my video, then please give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and relatives, and if you have any suggestion, any question, any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. And please subscribe my channel Bong Paradise and hit the bell icon.